Up on a snowy hill, Miranda the Menace had a plan. She looked down at Haggai Truck Center and said, "Whew, that place is way too noisy. I'm stealing Christmas." Miranda jumped on her sleigh, and Luna, her little dog, raced right beside her. They flew down the hill like a rocket, ready to cause some holiday mayhem at the truck center. They sneaked around the Haggai yard, past the big rigs, past the toolboxes, then tiptoed right into the building, quiet as snowflakes. Inside, Miranda saw the Christmas tree full of lights. Holly Lou Who spotted her. The commotion brought help fast. John the Who police officer rolled up with the mayor, Jerry Mayhew, and his wife, Lisa Mayhew. Soon the mechanics ran in, checking their gift piles and toolboxes, and they gasped. "My tools are gone." But then something amazing happened. Instead of getting upset, the mechanics smiled, grabbed lights and ornaments. Miranda watched from outside.
They don't even care about the gift.
She hurried back and returned every single truck part and present. Miranda smiled and said, "Maybe we didn't steal Christmas this year. Thank you for choosing Haggai Truck Center. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year."